abazali babona ngathi ukungena ku-acting is easy. Umsebenzi omkhulu mara mabangazibekela imali nje, not even a lot of money. Mawungabekela umntwana akhe 5,000 no angiyeke ithathe neye umntwana akhe angaphumelelanga. Everything, whatever the circumstances that you come across, you must go back to your life utshela ukuthi ngazala ngi-1. If impinto yami yangijikela ngazala ngi-1, angizalanga nomuntu, ngazala ngagqokanga nganamali nganafokol man.
Hayi into engangitshela yona bafethu ukuthi whatever happens, put God first. That's the first thing you should do. Always two, ningayisontweni likalifu. Kodwa nibheke lapho, nibheke i-podcast, each and every podcast. Hayi kodwa nami nginengane intombazane, sihlahla sila. Hayi.
You don't do that, bruh.
Ukhuswazi, awushaya impama, ukhuswazi.
Even noswazi, you're not allowed to do that. Intombazana lo muntu kumele atreat njengecanda naye uzokhulaza ukuthi naye mazombeka isandla kanye uzokutshela ukuthi wena angiyazi into no baba makazangibeka isandla wena uyithathapi lento leyo. But mawuzomshaya naye mawuzokushaya mawuthola i-boyfriend imshaya uzobona ngathi right because ubaba bekangishaya angithanda. Naye ubona ngathi le boyfriend right yangithanda mayengilenti igcwele ekhaya. Ngiyokubhoreka uyichipho sikhona. Isipele. Isipele.
Which one is this one? Sila. 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 Location. Sila. 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 Location. Sila. Ewe. Sila. FC. Mira. Eita. Hola. Conres. Goga. Let's roll. Waza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Mila. Location. Sila. Sila.
Bonakala Sipali.
Nabona pala ngona sizongajama.
Like ngiphangile ngibhekile ke. Oh yeah bafethu. Welcome back bafethu. Yeah. Uyaphula Sipalo njengomgogodlo bafethu. We are back bafethu, just like not your father. We are back, we are here bafethu. Welcome back to We Are Here. #Sela podcast and comedy bafethu. Yazi this is your host ke ayeye na kana la madi a monna mosepedi kgaitsa mapula na masakgetse diskena na boy ke mokalepheko se se go nka ga sekhisha ke nna ke ngwana ke gala ka modi a matepe sa motsi a kija ke tshaba ditikino ba ke hlompha nakwa. It's always bafethu angihambe ngiyi-1 bafethu. If ubona i-ghost man yethu bafethu on the chair bafethu, on my right hand side, on the left hand side, on the screen bafethu, wazi ukuthi the real captain of the ship is still busy bafethu, and today they are producing, I mean bayakhipha bafethu, bakhipha i-album yabo bafethu. I'm not sure ukuthi isikhathi bani but simele bafethu. Yeah, so bafethu, as you know ukuthi the captain of the ship one is not here, we have the vice captain, which is the ghost man bafethu, still the resurrection day bafethu. I'm talking about the bafethu, the ghost man bafethu, the podcaster bafethu, the writer bafethu, the comedian bafethu, YouTube and TikTok thespian bafethu. Give it up to your one and only Umatime. Yeah, into ibiza panahi zizona cabanga mashangana yaloya cabanga nje. Kesa ukuthi siphethe mali ya
ukukhoma inkari ngona sesi.
Ukukhoma inkari amaringi vara mashangana yakuthanda ukukhoma inkari. Mambiza ngo-12 uyofika ngo-12 straight icherry yakho. Mighty meet up igcina wena sikubuza Shoprite kanti ule kwini anukuboni ule kwini kwala.
Ugcina soyembi mabulo manje kusinila.
Asakuza man. Bafethu kesa ukuthi siphethe bani sizenenye bafethu siphethela bafethu yokuningi, the writer, the cameraman, the director, the actor. ungeza editor esibale short masihleli kanje amporsipana multi-talented people give it up to your only bafethu inja kagogo bafethu umlindo bafethu yeah fere uthi skipani
hayi bafethu
Yeah.
mapoto covered
mapoto cover bathini mapoto covered yeah
energy bafethu hayi sipakole isilungu sakho mfana hayi bafethu
uyamazi
to be
timing
here I feel the energy bafethu
yeah
hayi ngiyayifila it's good to be here ni first time ngishaya i-podcast
it's not the first time
yeah but this one
yeah
amakama light
ngicela ungibambele imic if ufuna ukhala kanje awubambe imic ungasaba ukuvaya nayo yeah
ama light ama camera
sayimprove bathini manje angikele sasikhathi lapha kuwabathiki besithi kuphela manje kunama silent partners manje tomorrow they will all be here so basebenza belungu bethu basibheke kanje kusasa
bathi ngegospel usithathela
wasithathala wasibekala yazi ngiyezonda le ngoma yazi why ayazi ngizonda esikela bengingathanda ithagini mina bengishaya isheti efika yi efika yi encane sibani
hayi mina angikhuluma ngaleyo ngikhuluma ngale ukuthi ungithathe down ngingelutho
mina ngiyazi le
namanyas
angiyenza umuntu
igospel le
kube
ubani artist mhlawumbe
so the time akubeki high beka kabe umuntu lo muntu loyo angithi wangithatha la wangibeka la wangibeka high wangenza umuntu the time angakabe high bengakabe umuntu
beka umuntu like manje so like kunokuthi mngani wami abantu abaphuwa bazithathela phansi true
usithathela phansi we
mina ngisithathela phansi towards abantu ongibabona ukuthi i-standard sabo si high kunesami
let me tell you something ungasithatheli phansi empilweni rich or not rich akekho umuntu ozoba uwe sibale that's the one thing kumele uzitshele yona ukuthi empilweni akekho umuntu ozoba yini you understand you must be proud of yourself rich or no rich uzale ungana next into engitshele yona ukuthi empilweni uzale uso ungana fokolo if today bazongithathela impahla ngiyosala ngana next it's not the first time enzeka kimi because ngazala ungana next you understand so rich or no rich poor or not poor be proud of yourself ungazinyathi ungene phakathi kwabantu abarich ungangena phakathi kwabantu abarich thola ukuthi unepoint bona abanganayo leyo point leyo
I get it
so mele hey yazini futhi asangena bafethi shout out to DJ Spoo for more fire nisibona sine energy kanje nibona le energy because of DJ Spoo ye more fire bafethi bathi ukhoza umlilo uthi mayivule thithixo baqede ukuphuza ithi hoy hoy bura lona yeah bafethi ijinja le yabafethi esekhondeni this is blueberry bafethi this is flavor tone ka robot boy bafethi this is pusha patient this is vitamin thing bafethi original lena ke bafethi yeah mawufuna lento le bafethi uyathola emakuleni abantu abasikazi bayithola emakuleni abantu abathenga ama shop bayithola esipana se Shoprite bafethi I'm not sure but Woolworths. Shout out to Stefina Pasha bafethi for the books bafethi if you want to be sharp in your mind bafethi hlakaniphe njengami get the books bafethu iziyatholakala scan the IQ bathini siyabaleka lesikulo sure IQR code on the screen bafethu to purchase the books bafethu yeah before season interview umlindo kakhe senze ne mistake ubokumela azoza but ke akunankinga siqale naye but we have to talk about some topics maybe 2 or 3 topics and then si interview umlindo.
All right.
So the first topic I want to talk about is about ucwecwe. Did you hear something about ucwecwe?
no
Leya bathini leya case leya bathi manje i-DNA ayisotholakali mele siapologize kumlungu because bengekho I mean bengekho guilty kulento le besingakuza kuyo
umlungu
leya principal leya
so Tina we have to go so apologize akuyo
yeah
because
so,
he's a white man
uyifaka phi white man pheka yazi lana kwenzakaleni le angithi kumele kuthathwe ama DNA lo mjitala ngama DNA kwathatha i-DNA yeStefana kwathatha i-DNA ye drive bathola ukuthi bonke abekho guilty makumele uthathe principal ahala uprincipal wenzeni uwale nge-DNA kwenza mina according to me uwale nge-DNA lo mntwana baze bamgezisa yaphela lento leyo kwamele bayithole ku-DNA wa understand la sekumele bamteste khona ngoba siyisayinele leya partition mabathi babamtesta abasayithola i-DNA kucwecwe so is obvious bazothi akekho guilty why alile ekuqaleni
So
we apologize for what
so mina into engiyibuza ukuthi kube kumuntu omnyama bebazoya apologize kuye.
kube kuwumuntu omnyama bengeke sisayine ne-petition sibale bokumele bekazohamba ejele or bokuzoyenziwa i-strike ngoba umlungu kumele manje sisayine ama-petition i-petition siyisayinile kuthathiwe i-DNA bayithathe late nango manje sokumele si-apologize because sibathena he's not guilty.
But yazi bafethu lento leni ngayibheka ngenye indlela. Inkinga la South Africa, we are not sure of the story. There's always two sides of the story. Khumbule this guy umlungu.
Sure.
Yabo kumele bathathe ini ama-DNA. DNA against abobani abantu abamnyama. Uthola ukuthi for example let's say he didn't do it. Yabo umlungu is a poor. Yabo so obvious angeke abantu abamnyama bathenza i-DNA indoda yenazi ukuthi akayenzanga. Angeke avume because of what? The pride. Yabo so uthola ukuthi the time benza ama-DNA he knew yena he didn't do it.
Okay mngani wami.
But
Pride ingenaphi ekulimaleni komntana?
komntwana kulimala umntwana lana Mlindo a 7-year-old child
Angazi but then check ukuthi this guy umlungu yabo sithi akayenzanga lutho
sure
then abantu abamnyama they are ordering him to do something
kuya
like according to apartheid la eMzansi umlungu ngeke atshele umuntu omnyama ukuthi ayenzeni azi ukuthi into kanje ayimanga kahle
if okay asibeke kanje umlungu angithi Mlindo which is principal we respect that nathi kuze mara principal nangu umntwana ulimele esikolweni sakho and ama suspect now we are included in kulawo ma suspect if uyazi ukuthi wena ukho wrong njengoba ukhuluma ngakhona if uyazi ukuthi wena awukho wrong we innocent you have to protect your reputation angithi why ungayenzi le DNA iprove ukuthi you are not guilty just like le taxi driver even the stepfather bayenzile le not stepfather bayenzile le DNA bathola ukuthi abekho guilty naye ngabe uyenzile ngaba singasayinanga lama petition
principal kubathatha responsibility aya first yena nathi mina
ngithatheni njengenhloko yesikole
but then lo muntu what if uvele waba nenkani ukuthi angayenzi DNA because uyazi nakayenzanga then it's like no I didn't do it. Why should I prove myself when I'm telling you because woman look at his age first ungana mdala lo muntu
kanti abantu abadala ba rape uyohlula yini ukurape
angazi but then he told le method ukuthi like ngeke ngiyenze lento look at me how old I am sengane ngizorape umuntu ona 7 years old yabo
then take my DNA and to prove myself ongathatha i-DNA so uyiprove ne abelungu they are smart let me tell you bekazothatha i-DNA ayiprove ukuthi he's not guilty ne maqeda asuwe ukuthi naba abantu bangisukela ukuthi ngirape umntwana wangayenzanga njalo kunokuthi yena ahale zonke lesikhathi
mawubeka njalo etsandastile
sonke lesikhathi yena bekafuna ukuthi isikhathi sihambe vele lo mntwana lokuze inyamalala i-DNA vele bekaphusha isikhathi yena hambisa isikhathi ukuthi lento le ize inyamalala if bathi bonke bona bakhe guilty then urape ubani lo mntwana lo sibali
mfethu ngoba ne taxi driver yona umsulu and iye before
even the father umsulu kusho ukuthi lo mntwana lo rape wesikolweni makuboshwe wonke le staff sasesikolweni ke once
so bona ngathi lo mlungu ubhadale ukuthi bathempe with the DNA
obvious
another one like South Africa
in South Africa a black person will always be inferior and a white person will always be superior that's it thina sine economy I mean sine freedom we don't have economy abelungu banemali they will always rule us they will always look down on us that's what we have to understand thina abantu abamnyama sina say kahle umuntu omnyama you are always guilty umuntu omnyama always a criminal kodwa abelungu bona they are most big criminals mara siqoqi lento le bafika la basithathela umhlaba asikhulume ngayo khona manje umntwana orapiwe
nakhona futhi abantu abamnyama kumele bayeke lento kusaba umuntu onemali because I've seen the time I was working a car wash uzofika umlungu everyone will treat that person like njengeboss so lo mlungu lo if lo mlungu yakuthuka maybe awenzanga something kahle emotweni yakhe yakrasela lo muntu lo uzo react like angathi ukhuluma neboss yakhe while he's like that person is offering their services to the person
To the-
of the owner of that car.
ile nto le yokuthi mawubona umlungu wonke umlungu se
Exactly.
kanjani se hayi
Exactly.
hayi
Mara mina le yakasele ngibona ukuthi indlela yokum-approacha because awulazi igama lakho kufana
Or,
no-my friend.
khona manje if awulazi igama lakamlindo
Boss.
ngeke uze uthi se or uthi mister uyothi kusemtshita bafo ola
Maye uzofika kumlungu uthiekusemtshitha.
sure ekusemtshita how are you noma wayengasazi phela thina abelungu banalento le and futhi thanda ama-afrikanet banalento le ukuthi why mina bengisebenza egarage afrikanet mafika emotweni yakhe mangakhuluma afrikaans akhuluma isilungu uzokubuza ukuthi why ungazi afrikaans mina bengikubuza ukuthi do you know how to speak Zulu athi ngithi wena why don't you know how to speak Zulu sicabane and yabona egarage thina umlungu wethu bekane-apartheid ne mara bekangavumi ukuthi omunye umlungu aze ngaphanke ezozabhiyoza la ya
Yeah, true.
Uthathe ubu-responsibility.
sure bekakutshela ukuthi yabona makakuphaphela makaphuma emotweni mathi akushaya meke akushaya ngempamo ratro test punch bese uzilwela because mabazala if uthetshisa othini bekazilwela because lo muntu uyokuthrow i-first punch and wazi ukuthi esesagaraji washaya i-1 zonke zokutempela
Ayivele.
alizo sesagaraji asinakungona
Ikarasi ine-stress ngiyabatshela bafethu full tank bese ngiyavala angikhulumi
so we still need justice for Cwece siceda kanjalo ukuthi kule topic ukuthi we still need justice for Cwece bafethu ayikapheli i-justice for Cwece we still need to know ukuthi ubani urape lo mntwana
Yabona the way abantu begaraji ababambene ngakhona nathi asibambaneni kanjalo.
yeah for Cwece
Yeah, true.
yeah you got something Mathami
Yeah.
yeah
Story sase-Cape Town, into esase- yeah.
beki now usafuna ukutshela ukuthi beki mike ngathi uyisivakashi
Nah. Isitori sase-Cape Town nguMacy's
Sorry beki mike umtshela uthi my sister wenzani
ogwaziwe.
ugwazoba
Here's the story. Ugwaze i-boyfriend.
aw
Musana ukuba nolaka mngani wami. Ulaka kuncedi.
Hayi umuntu wesifazane ngimthinti nokumthinta.
hey sibani in heartbreaking incident that has left the Cape Town community in shock, Pamela Makubela lost her life after being fatally stabbed by her boyfriend on April 12, 2025. The brutal event influted in what authorities are describing as a domestic violence cause that turned deadly. According to reports, the tragedy occurred at private residence where an argument between Pamela and her boyfriend escalated into violence. Details are still emerging, but it is believed that the confrontation became physical, ultimately resulting in Pamela suffering fatal stab wounds. Following the attack, the suspect did not attempt to flee the scene for long. In a move that suggests deep remorse or sudden confrontation with the gravity of his action, he turned himself in at a local police station shortly after his incident. Law enforcement officials confirmed that the man confessed to the crime upon arrival at the station and was immediately taken into custody. The police have opened a murder case and have initiated a full investigation into circumstances surrounding Pamela's death. They have indicated that all necessary forensic evidence will be gathered to ensure that justice is served. At this time, the suspect remained in custody and is expected to appear in court soon to face charges related to the killing. Wow. The Cape Town.
Yeah.
So ushonile le ntombazana she mara amadoda siyivayo nemadoda siyizinja ngempela ngiyavuma labafazi mabathi siyizinja
Hayi lento iyafana. Umuntu wesifazane nendoda siyafana sonke kuyiqiniso.
mara mara
Izenzo ezenza abantu besifazane sometimes izenza amadoda egcine enza lento ayenzayo. Ngisho ukuthi into right but izinto abazenzayo so ingakho ngithi sonke siyafana.
Mara khuluma iqiniso. Actually even women are more cruel than men. Mina ngazi kuzinesinye story engazi bathi umfazi wabulala indoda yakhe wamngcwaba khona la eJardini. Angazi le ndoda lenja le iloku igalala lapha yeza ngithi nje ukuthi phela ngayi ngathi kune something lokhu idlala lapha bathi ayibulala ayigubhela semgodi. Umakhelwane ambona ukuthi igubhela inja yakhe. Umakhelwane bathi angazi ukuthi iqiniso sokuthi umakhelwane athi nawe uyogubha uyofuna inja yakhe noma mambona ubulala umakhelwane amgubhela semgodi.
Bana.
I'm not sure ukuthi leso story iqiniso.
Bana.
Lo muntu kathumela more than 5 yabantu sibali abagubhela kule mgodi until community iza la izobona ukuthi angeke.
Yo, mayima bagubha lapha bathola idumbe.
Bathola idumbe ezi5 6 plus ngenje.
Yo.
Cabanga.
Abafazi nje kuphela.
Umfazi lo muntu ayenzayo.
Umfazi.
Wenza le.
Abafazi they cruel wona sibuza ukuthi why manje abafazi abaningi bakwazi ukuthenga imoto ezikhulu kangaka. Bakwazi ukuthenga ama Range Rover, bakwazi ukuthenga amabathini le ibhabara uthi Barabas. Cabanga. Imali zama insurance. Lento le ama insurance lezi engabafazi sibali. Ukuthi ngifaka wena ku insurance ngifaka umlindo ku insurance ngiyake bangifaka ku insurance iyazi ukuthi incoming years ngibheke ukuthi uhlambe sekemjoni se10 years sho ukuthi phela ngiyathola 200,000 la ithi ngimbulala ngikuthumela ngenkaya ngithola 200,000 after 5 years umlindo sekana 50 years ngimjoni so sho ukuthi ngiyothola 500
kushuthi kahle ngayibeka kanjani ilento leyo ukuthi kwamele kuthathwe ama-housewife ahlala endlini angazisebenzeli kwabo.
Asithi maybe uma uvula insurance or police qala ucheck ukuthi ufaka bani nalo muntu ozomfaka uyamthemba yini nakhona ungamtsheli because uma lokhu umtshela uma nawe uzobona ukuthi okay manje sokunemali eso
because noma umthemba vele
so yathi if ngambulala ngizoclaim in such a time. So obviously I can save just wena kumele keep it to yourself. Noma bhala ukuthi is next of kin. Bhala ukuthi maybe umama bazwami but then don't tell them. Bazobona ngase.
Bazobana mase babafonele icompany ukuthi sicela usihlamarisa ufuna icompany we bambhalele la is the next of kin. Because mawumtshela mina I know the brother. Wabulala le brother yakhe because of le mali le wamtshela ukuthi ene yamtshela ajabulela athi futhi wenye ukuthana ngikhona ngibhalise wena ukuthi uzothola imali zami nengane zami kanjani. Lo mtshitala yahamba sihlanganisa sibali. Gone ubhuti wakhe. I won't mention the family, I won't mention the name. True story. Gone ngobhuti wakhe. But uNkulunkulu mkhulu. Lo mtshita lo uvayile ubulale lo bhuti wakhe ne. Mabahamba le bayiclaim le mali akana bank account. Akakwazi ukukhuluma isilungu. Uhamba nobhuti wakhe omncane. Mafika lapha babhalisa ibank account ngobhuti wakhe omncane badata abuyele emakhaya ubhuti akathi angizoza nazo mangize emakhaya ngoDecember akuphi. Zangena ubhuti wakhe ula igoli.
Abuzona.
Kale yazaka sibale maye emakhaya akasana fokona. So le ayimbulale for nothing. And ngisho ukuthi le encane le kuzidlela imali. Ibonile ukuthi nizona umbona umlindo wathi le kuzidlela imali kusho ukuthi yazile ukuthi le ibulele uGhortman le ngone mayizothi ngizitshela ukuthi wena uwombulele lo muntu ngizotshela ifamily
thola ukuthi maybe vele kanti why liyashila lo imali
ingashili mina phela weravazile sibala hayi kancane hayi ukudlala so ambela siphumile topicini asibuyele topic yelo yakaphupa uPamela ne may her soul rest in peace abantu base Cape Town tuduzekeni yo into ekanje maramanye amadoda vele window enjani ebeke isandla entombazaneni first of all sibali usiraise kanjani isandla entombazaneni
mara kunabanye abantu they are short
tempered ukuthi ushayele intombazane
maybe umprovoke to that extent ukuthi yo angisakhona ukuzibamba
mara sikhulume nevalo umuntu oshaya umfazi wangamthole groove akakali nomuntu
sure
akanawo amandla
intanga zakhe yasa
exactly intanga zakhe izashaya
sho uthi wena mama yakho makuthuka endlini usho tempered uyamshaya wena
no
manje wayekomela ushaya intombazana ma usho tempered no angisho ukuthi wena uyashaya ngisenze example Ngeyipari.
Example.
Nami ngihlasele ngathi nithe mina ngishaya intombazana. Okay, mara ngiyayithola le.
Beke Mikey but
Ngiyayithola leyo ndaba, but like amajita ningawablame, mara nawo amantombazana nalento lokuthi ngithembela ukuthi mangangishaya uzoya e-police station or intombazana uyiphatha icala akudelele ukuze akufike kule ndlela le.
As a mantombazane.
Mina angimeli le
then
awusenyasho.
if ukudelela ngale ndlela le, why can't you have a conversation about it? Why can't you talk about it? Sikhulume ngendlela yakho. If we don't meet halfway, vaya the best way uhetha intombazana mshiye bra. Asitshela ukuthi uyamthanda nyeke umyeke mshiye. Angithakafuni ukuyenza lento ofuna animithana halfway. Mshiye. Cause mawuzomshaya manje umshayelana awuna right ukumshaya umshayelana ukuthi akakuthandi or ukuthi
Mina ngikhuluma ngokuthi
no mina ngisho wena phela senyasho
mara naye ngisho angikhulumi ngokuthi uthando, like ngikhuluma ngokuthi maybe nayo le ntombazana leyo uyocala am-attack mhlawumbe.
advice komjita intombazana mayokushaya if isendlini if ungishaya ngempama ngiyaphuma ngiyabhaya mangibuya ngizomtshela yazini if uyayiphinda futhi riding ngizokubulala and yazini ngikhuluma manje sengifonela nabazali bakhe if siyazana nabazali bakhe ngithi nangu lo muntu oyenza into ekanje and angifuni ukhe wabona mina ngikubeka isandla na then wena ngibeke why kwamele ngibeke isandla.
I think
Next time makayenza siyahlukana.
ngibona ngathi leyo ukuthi uzombulala amantombazane thina like these
Awubeke
people are the ones like it's the gender that's hard to like figure out. So ukuthi like uzomtshela ukuthi uzombulala vele like yazini ufuna ukubona
Ufuna
vele
ngibulale.
ufuna ukubona ama-limits wakhe aqale futhi ngamabomu
ila umshiya khona.
Akushaye.
Ila umshiya khona ke. Uthi Van Damme hayi
Kodwa wathi if uyamthanda nawe phela
bra uthando is nothing.
Singiyothatha abasoft.
Uthando is nothing bra. That's why into bengitshela uzala uyi-one. Everything, whatever the circumstances that you come across, you must go back to your life. Utshela ukuthi ngazala ngi-one. If impintshana engijikela ngazala ngi-one, angizalanga nomuntu, ngazala ngagqokanga nganamali, nganafokol man. Every inkinga leyo uhlangana nayo awuqala uhlangana nayo empilweni. Cause wazala ungana next uyinkinga wena.
but wazala unenhliziyo yokuthanda
Uzala uthanda abantu.
bengekuphatha ngisubonile manje
Bowazi bani mawuzala?
ubonile uzale
Still if it is there it is meant to be broken. Manje wena uzohlalela ukushawa wena ube namabhulu wakhe ngenxa ukuthi uyathanda wena inhliziyo iyathanda mara uyashaya. And ile nto leyenza bosisi bethu kabhayi. Mambuza ukuthi wangayeki le bar ngoba yakushaya ukuthi ngiyamthanda. Makangishayishe ukuthi ungibonisa uthanda. And abantu amazala makanjalo yazi ngifuna ukwadvise namadeli abanabantwana bamantombazana umntana ontombazana wamshaya is either ugange kanjani you must have bathini a conversation with you must have a dialogue with you cause mamshaya umfundisa ukuthi indoda if yangishaya is right. That's why athi makangishaya ngibonisa uthando cause babakhe bekamshaya naye.
Oh,
You understand?
yeah.
So umntana ontombazana umele ashaya umama.
hayi kodwa nami nginengane intombazane ihlahla sila hayi
You don't do that, bra.
ukhuswazi awumshaya ngempama ukhuswazi
Even noswazi, you're not allowed to do that. Intombazana lo muntu kumele atreat njengecanda naye uzokhulaza ukuthi naye mawuzombeka isandla kanye uzokutshela ukuthi wena angiyazi lento nobaba makazange ngibeka isandla wena uyithathaphi lento leyo.
Yeah.
But mawuzomshaya naye mawuzokushaya mawuthola i-boyfriend imshaya uzobona ngathi right because ubaba bekangishaya ngithanda. Naye ubona ngathi le boyfriend right yangithanda mayingishaya yangithola.
Yeah.
So don't ever lay a hand on a girl, on a baby girl, never.
yeah
And I've got sisters, bra. 4 of them. Angazi ngabeka isandla noyi-one and kunalo bekaganga blanda yalena le ngifisa ngathi ngambamba ngezami but I couldn't. Mara manje kunomfana ke leya inibhadi yabona leya. Leya ngifuna bazobona iyenza ngizobabonisa ukuthi ubhuti yashaya kumele nimfake.
amantombazane
Bazobona example ngayo. Yeah.
Ngiyakuthola.
Ayithola.
So asiyekele into yokushayana namantombazane yokushayana inkeke i-violence ayisiyekeni kuma-relationship if umuntu ukhathele uye miyeke asihlukane siyekelane siye umuntu ayele nale uyothola i-type yakho if wena ufuna umuntu ophuzayo everyday hambe umfuna ethaveni umuntu ophuzayo ozophuza naye everyday if wena ufuna umuntu ongaphuzi hambe e-church wazi umuntu usuke e-church uyofuna intombazane ethaveni bese ufuna ukuthi intombazane iguquke kanjani why wena mina mangizokutshela ukuthi yeke i-church uzovuka uyabona asibeni fair empilweni learn to be fair asingene kumlindo manje Tima keep busy we after 1 hour yeah Mlindos inja kagogo
The one and only.
yeah
Yena
bafethu
yedwa.
bafethu for sure
Yena
bayibuza ukuthi
lithini?
ubani lo hlelela uhleleleni kule chain
ithi sukubulisa kubusi-2 right usuper
makotovia
Imapoto covered.
super makotovius
Mapoto covered.
hayi thina makwethu simapoto covered njengepoto lishalelelanda like sima-carrot phezu kwamabhanana ayizwa le ngozi
Yalazi udaba.
so push inombolo manje
hayi inombolo akusiyinombolo hayi angizazi lezo zinto mina hayi akusiyinombolo hayi
so thini pusheza impilo yethu
ngiyasho ukuthi how good I am
yeah
uyangithola hey
hayi ngiyakuzwa Mlindo last time basically we were talking about your journey through editing acting writing do you write
Yeah.
because a lot of people we can ngathini mina ngiqale kanjana siqale singabhali mina nohlami we just camera sithola abantu bese siqala istory kanje senzele into kanje yeah ngithola until we have to get to the point ukuthi kumele sibhale mara ukubhala kwethu still bokungakayi ukuthi siyobhala ukuthi Umlindo la uzothi bese uhlami la uzothi besibhala Umlindo nohlami la bayalwa balwela ukuthi amagama azobuya kini I understand so when do you write lo ukuthi iscript esigcwele ukuthi uyabhala ukuthi uhlami uyenzani
Already I have a movie ephelele. Ngisho ukushoota kuphela script full everything.
oh
It's written everything.
okay
Then when it comes to our skits, some of them ngiyabhala like if it's kind of confusing, but most isn't your freestyle. Yabo. So like kuba easy freestyle but mawubhala it becomes more easier because kuba like easy ukuthi ungene deep into the story.
yo awubeke yizo wala kamnandi
Yabo.
mawuyi yeah
So yeah, mawubhala nje kuba easy ukuthi like ungene deep into the story wazi ukuthi okay kuzoba so then you come up with a good story at the end of the day.
mara na i-process mina the time ngizoba nemali ngizoqasha umuntu ozobhala serious lento le process balomele ngibhale
ubhala ama-dialogue
Ukubhala
sibale kumele ngibhala kumele ngidirect kumele ya inkinga mara ngithi manje sizazi low budget senza yonke into that's why serious fanele lo budget izokubulala sibale ukwenza yonke into uyi-one ngokuza akunamuntu ozombhadala
yeah.
abuhlama udelete abazothi ukuthi mina ngikwazi uku-editha uzofunda nini uyofunda nini sibale
And ngathi wonke umuntu nade sekayi-editor check ama-content creators they abazokuthela ngakhona ama-video wabo
sure
so angeke uhlule
editor mfethu
where's on the phone
efonini and vele wakwazi uku-editha la ngamtshela naye ngathi the time ngithole laptop kuzoba easy ukuthi ngikwazi uku-editha because of ngiqale kuphi efonini lento ezila efonini obvious iyoba la i-CapCut ikhona efonini ikhona nala
no laptop in short ikhona ku-laptop
hayi
ikhona
isibale ngisejile ngayisearcha
ngibone ku-Brian
yazi uyenzeni uyirobhile badalule enye into la nga uthatha from into ese-androidini yakho or ku-iphone yakho iba la laptopini
hayi ngizoyi-check
serious
aliyabo kuyiyo straight I think no
ishort ifana neyefoni straight because le nto leya imenye ifoni uyibeke ekhompyuthini angazi ukuthi understand ukuthi bayibizana
into short
before ngicobile leyo nambe ngithi ngifuna inshort vele before ngizokudaloda i-CapCut ngithi hayi inshort phela i-easy bathi ukuthi le nto leya ama-android
it's not allowed ku-computer
mara i-CapCut ikhona just ibhara ngokuthi ine-watermark watermark akhona ufuna ibhadalele hayi bo kima watermark yakhona ufuna uyibhadalele and manje thina ezayiseke ukuthi ama low budget.
Efonini ungayishaya ilo nase ku laptop ngingangifuna ukubanikeza ngizintshela masiqeda
Usho ukuthi?
show yeah
Robert.
noyazi ngizokutshela ukuthi uzenzani.
So Nganomi, which consequences did you face through your journey through Skits?
Aze ngifile ngathi angikaziboni, like I haven't seen angikaziboni like something that I would say I wouldn't call them consequences. I would say like obstacles. For example,
Ngawo la kukhami ke lapho.
obstacles okay, like ubunzima engihlangane nawo, ubunzima engihlangane nawo, yabo. So there was this time ngisaphuma ku Oledi. So when I started this skit I was doing my matric. So kumele ngibalance iskiti, kumele ngibalance impilo yasendlini like ama-chores because it was me and my young sister. Kumele ngibalance obvious nomjolo ngapha yabona, you know. Yabo, kumele futhi ngibuye ngibalance nempilo yami namajita like ezingimasiphila nje the way yabo. So
Ngicela usifake lapho Nganomi.
Hayi ngathi ziyabhora.
Ngiyasho phela ukuthi bengiku-matric. Angithi ngiyasho phela ukuthi bengiku-matric obvious.
Ungathele bekasifaka yena.
Mina ngisifakile ngithe matric yena. Mina ngithi incwadi straight.
Ngisikhumbule kanjani mina?
Very not foko.
Ngishilo ngathi matric. So yeah, so uthola ukuthi maybe Saturday leyo kumele ngiyo-attend, yabo. Uthola ukuthi ngapha I'm the one doing the dishes and ngapho wana shoot. So uthola ukuthi maybe ngibuye endlini ngishaya izinto fast. Maybe uthola ukuthi angenzanga zona because ngijahe ukuyoshoot because of isikhathi, yabo. Mangibuya bangirasela ukuthi like why ngenzanga kahle izinto zasendlini, this that, yabo. Ngisho ukuthi no bengijahele ukuyenzani ukuyoshoot. So obvious angithi abazali they want to see something that's moving. If your thing is not moving, it's say like pants. Sometimes they won't believe in it. So it's up to you ukuthi uprove umzali ukuthi lento le one day izosebenza.
Ingakalethi nemali futhi ngeke bayibone njenge-next.
So mina I felt like ukuthi okay, because she was like this other day wathi kimi bekatshela omunye umuntu athi I want ukuthi abumlindosi why belokhe bephusha lento because baningi abantu abayiphushayo baningi abantu abahlulekayo. So what makes him so sure ukuthi one day uzophumelela, yabo. So the way I took it was like mom is not supporting me in this. I'm like no, she doesn't understand how these things work. So now I won't take it as a support. I'll take it as a motivation. Yokuthini ngenze sure ukuthi one day esaphila abone ukuthi daddy ngiyasipha, abone sengidatho. Lento le yaqala kanje kanti size yafika la.
And ngeke azathembe the day imali izoza ngakhona, the day uzophuma ngeke azathembe ukuthi lento le benginyatsa yiyo le, because abazali abanesela ukuthi phela lento le
sometimes is blame abazali for nothing. Nabo abazali abantu abaphila, abantu abahambayo bayasebenza baphila nabanye abantu. Babatshela ukuthi mina umntana umenza into so abantu yabazi bane-jealous bane-ini bakhuluma ama-bad things or izinto ezinjalo, athathe lezo zinto ezibhad. Understand ukuthi ngithini, ayithathe ngathi like maybe example ngayibeka kanjani,
like athi umntwana maybe uyisha ama-skits ngapha babhema nama-drugs futhi kuze bayenze lama-skits abo babhema ama-drugs bayenzani,
uyayibona into enjalo.
Okay.
So uthatha lezi zinto lezi ezibhad, lezi eziguda
akazaziboni ubona lezi ezibheke.
Thina sesigcina sesiblame abazali kanti thina asibabeki phansi sibatshele yonke into in detail.
Mara bona ngobudala why bangabeki inkinga yezabazali yini, inkinga yabazali and especially laba abadala. Abazali bona basitshela ukuthi bona they are always right, abana right ukukubuza ukuthi lana le yini yena ufuna ukuhleza kutshela. Inkinga yabazali le why if angahlali nami phansi, okay uthi wena u-ayeye kanjani ngoba mina wena ngiwazi ugayini igama lokuthi ulisi kumele ngimtshele ukuthi i-ayeye stage name kumbe ngimtshele ukuthi isebenza kanjani lento understand so bona babele baqale ngokujaja yokusaphi lento le hey isikolo hey what
understand
mara
ukuthi
it's understandable abazali abale bakudala lezi zinto lezi technology ezinje manje
exactly but is allow us to teach you.
yeah
We are not gatekeepers ukuthi sinyeke sizonifundisa bathina abazali abakudala manje but they can use WhatsApp sibancedile ukuthi sibabonisa ukuthi le i-WhatsApp isebenza kanjani understand so namanje mabasibeke phansi siba-explainele ukuthi le industry isebenza kanjani nakanjani because we lack support from them le siyinidayo phela abazali babona ngathi ukungena ku-acting is umsebenzi omkhulu mara mabangazibekela imali nje not even a lot of mali mawungabekela umntwana akhe 5,000 no angeke ithathe neyiye umntwana akhe angaphumelelanga angeke
mina ngitshela ngama-months
mara bona babona ngathi bona u-actor kuzophumelele kumele wenze izinto eziningi akufuni ukuthi usecertify la akufuni ukuthi useyenza ama-affidavit man hayi
abazali bona angeke sibasole thina the only thing we have to prove to them because this thing was happening then I told myself no let me prove it to her yabo so then only started watching my YouTube videos Spanners working in the same company so she started watching my YouTube videos go during her lunch time yabo so I was like I introduced ilink yami kuye ngathi yazi motho lesikhathi bhekana la yabo then she was watching she kept on watching manje sikhuluma nje she's one of my fans
yeah what that's good
even the time before I showed him his soul rest in peace he was also my biggest fan I forgot it's up to us thina ama-content creators ama-actors anyone who wants to like who has a certain craft make sure ukuthi umzali wakho you prove to them ukuthi no le nto iyasebenza ilofika ilanga lokuthi isebenze like
they actually don't believe until they see vele
Yeah.
because now mama ngambonisa enye video and futhi it was a TikTok video ngiyenza esinye story se radio usithanda kakhulu istory sakhona bathi mahlaku angithatha ama voice alapha bese mina ngwayenzani angithi radio mina ngwathela into escreenini ngiyawa actor lama voice lawaya so uthe kubona la deng ngitshela ukuthi manje everyday oyi-one makayima mabuye umgayidu nginamaduku abhaya blind ngayiwa amantombazane ungacoma ngamaduku so bakhona ngokubona la bantu babonisa ukuthi
mara mina i-olid lami nethema lami like ungayibeka kanjani egrupman lami leli engilandela lona like bekafrostani acting afuna ukwenza acting aze aya kuma-audition angena and baba yena nomngane wakhe
bathu khuluma lapha
yena nomngane wakhe
kima
hayi
ufoni man
hayi
angaba tisajumela kafone ukhala mathomo
sisase ku-8 break salindile siyabuya manje baniphuza imo-fire
usathini
yeah bengisathi uRoman lami like baya kuma-audition bashuta baya kuma-reza yabona so makwamele siphume le story 2 weeks before waba nengxabano inkini khona lapho abo-Roman babashiya ngaphandle story lesaphuma ku-164 hayi I-give up lapho acting so mina ngahlangana nontwana ila ngithola acting yami icale khona bangisupporta lapho ngithe mangibakhomba first day yami ngikuyoshuta ngithi nayi video yami bathi uyenza lento le uyenza ubhuti wakho ayisupport sokupha yonke support esinayo throughout since ngicala
Please.
now
at least thina siqale singana support fokona
enye into
bathi sizobona ukuthi uyophelelaphi
enye into vele bafethu industry izokukhatha awale nto ubhuti wakho went through bafethu even if that happens give up
but mina I blame him
yeah
Yazi
must
why?
give up
if bekuyipassion yakhe bekwamele aqhubekile maybe the way aqale ngakhona plus besekane experience ube aye kwenye bekazothola maybe something.
Mara thola
Yeah,
ukuthi
yibona.
mfethu lo muntu ujike emnyango. So imagine all the effort ayispanisile to get where he like
ya mara
agcine
kumele
khona.
abuyele emuva you know no GP uma orange ithi maphuma ejele makaya yizo uthi ufike lapha bathi asifuni iboshwa la ajika azibuza naye azibuza into esibhanga uNkulunkulu ngiyenzeni mina vele wayengafuna yonke indawo ngihamba khona ngingafuni jikijiki after 1 month bayimfonela bathi uzokala sifuna umuntu one experience ebiye ejele ila bathini uChester no Papa Action baye ejele ya bambuza vivye hayi so bungamelanga naye give up vele ontwana
Yeah.
ukumele atry enye into inkinga bese ngalesa sikhathi lesa bayangana ukuthi angathatha ifone athi ushaya ini inkinga ile phela manje thina noma bangisingayanga kuma audition but we know ukuthi we are posting ku YouTube, we are posting ku TikTok. Lento lezi yazenzela for ama target simaketa labantu laba ama directors, ama actors, ama producers ukuthi bayabona ukuthi phela nangu umuntu people like abomanga M. Umanga M uyawathatha ama content creators especially from TikTok. Ama series akabhaya you'll get especially kuba thini ku Piano Love kunama content creator abhaya lapha
Yeah.
abhaya blind kuba thini kuma Basazi Family Reunion kunama content creator abhaya
Mozambique what
kunama content creator abhaya lapha
I never and enye into engibona nginga-advise abantu I think like ngiqala ukunothisa lento lesi before the way you advertise into zethu I think we should stop advertising kakhulu ebanganini bethu than abanye abantu
yeah
because sometimes more advertise emnganini like umngani wakho ukujwayele like lo muntu ngiphila naye so for ukuthi kuphumele wow Anthony Blind sometimes kuba nzima yabo kuba like akuyafani into mhlambe noma ngasinike abangani bami bonke ama link maybe about 1 or 2 bangayivula leyo link the rest ngeke bayivule because like mlindosi lo yabo uthola ukuthi ngiyangabona for example like Siblomile kaSo 3 sihlali ingoma espeaking I'm playing a song maybe nithi yabhora connect umunye or nithi nishintshe yabo then you find me esalon ngiconnectile to playing the same song uyafika wena you don't know who's connected moshwela yakapa le ngoma
kusho ukuthi le
ile ngoma le boyilalelele uthi yabhora
nevele ya
so if washaya content wayiposta yabona umuntu ongakwazi lo muntu at least would be glued ku screen ukuthi okay yeah fine this guy is good
and decent
yeah akusumngane wakhe akacabangela izinto ezibhayi vele nje it's like urenzele but then it's best ukuthi ubone abantu abangakwazi then abangani bakube ibonus
and if maybe let's say we are an actor ushayela umuntu monologue o famous ngiyaceda kakupraise yazi abantu abafamous banjani especially ama comedian comedian phela ungafika manje uyishaya ngejoke wayithembile ingalahi vele ubheke kanje wazi ukuthi iyalakhisa le joke mara mayengalaha ilakhisa that's how comedians are ama professional ungafika uTrevor Noah manje washaya ijoke etsembu nyeka la ukubheka kanje
so why is it like that
angazi na chiwo culture ngalakho zinawo bathu baqale kanje kanti only to find out ukuthi lento le engalakhisi iyelakhisa uzokutshela uzokufonela uzoza mase kakufonela intwana hayi le joke yakho ngiyithandile ngiprize uze esinini uzongivulela istage kuphu eJoburg ngishaye comedy stand up comedy what la uzozokona ukuthi ukuthi le joke lebo kuyizinto just zanazilahi lezi vele masishaya ijoke ama comedian yani
if ke ngalahlele inye into to the point ukuthi yazini awusakholi nje ukuthi
yabona lapho ngabhamuka kunabanye bakwazi ukuzibamba njengomphophomise uyabhamuka ayakwazi ukuzibamba la kunenye indawo bankhohle bathi vama ngayiye santhini ama comedians bathi mabafuna if ubona ngathi kudala uhlekisa mafuna they calling it die if you want to die you go there bathi lapha kunama audience are serious akuhlekisa noma ubani ungafika wona usitshela ukuthi uwe bakubheka kanje mara ubona mawuhlekisa bazohleka ya ngiyazi ukuthi hayi but yeah if comedian ifuna ukufa imali yena
lapha phambili lapha ngiyabheka ngiyahleka
yeah ngeke bahleke sibayiyo ngiyadlala so wangitshele Mlindosi what yini wenze ukuthi ufuna ukuba i-actor ufuna ukuba i-director editor yonke lento le wavuka nje wathi hayi School of Folk ngisenyaya ngoba nyaya mara mina ngifuna ukwenza lento le or into efika manje nje
Yabona, okay, first bengifuna ukuba yi-astronaut, yabo.
Mhm.
Noku-actor khona bengingacabanga, but it was something like as in, yabona like maybe sithi manje you are focusing on media, but then uyacava ukuthi akhona ukudlala ibhola.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
but you were like ibhola ngizolibona. So it was like that. Ngifuna ukuba astronaut, I wanna go out of earth, like ngiye ku-space. Then i-acting it wasn't even nasengqondweni kangako, yabo. Then esikila grade 2 waqala ukushaya amadrama lapha, yabo.
Mhm.
Ngiyabona phela nami ngiya-excela. Well, like mang-excela kanjalo I'm enjoying ukuthi like ziyakhipha, and I can even see ukuthi abantu bangibhekile. Mhlawumbe bangibheka that's when like ngenza ngamabomali sengidonsa la attention vele ize kimi.
Mhm.
And I started loving it there, but then ngala thinking ukuthi one thing ngizo-actor in. Then came, I think it was around COVID. I think before COVID, bengisase primary. Then this other time.
COVID
No,
ubuse-primary?
ngisho
Oh.
ngithi le scenario ngifuna ukuyichaza bekuse-primary.
Oh.
So this time like bese ngibalekele acting ngingasayifuni, like nix anything that has to do with it, yabo. Then after that, but reason yakhona beyibheda, angazi ngithi don't worry njani.
What
But
was
yeah.
the reason?
Okay, so bese ngisonta like into serious, yabo.
Oh, umkhete. Hey,
Yabo into
but yini
ezinjalo.
umChristian?
Namanje ngisaseyi-Christian namanje ngisaseyi-Christian. Bafethu uNkulunkulu is good all the time.
Kanti legama lezongibulala siyini umkhete? Inkizo lokuhlekile ungigazela. Sengilibiza everywhere manje.
Mina uvele ngakubekela straight ngathi ubuhedeni buhamba nobu-EV.
Shoto umkhete nobusathane.
Sathane.
Amahitela.
Oh manje usabani mathi usathane? Phela usathane umntana kaNkulunkulu uyamthanda naye.
Kodwa ngisusathane.
Oh.
Kodwa njengoba ngisasho. So I had so that time bengifocus kakhulu esontweni, yabo. Kwaba into yokuthi if I join acting engabona wonke ama-flows ukuthi phela la ngoba sengifuna ukuba yi-actor, mase kumele ngikhisane nabantu, I'm causing a scene. After that ngizoya emaphathini ngiphuza utshwala.
What's up kiss?
Like no, like I was gathering
Oh, yonke le nto lo.
kuzobe kuyisona, yabona into ezinjalo.
You never thought ukuthi plus ngizoba ngibakha. You never thought ukuthi bakhana ngempela TV.
No, I know. I understand industry sifana kanjani. So then this other time ngaphupha. So mangiphupha I'm an actor, sengiphumelele, yabo into ezinjalo. So mangivuka, this thing was still on my mind. Mlindo's man, this thing you love it, come back. Then I started watching skits. My brother introduced me to his skits. He's like, hey, there's this guys go YouTube, they create this. Now I'm entertained. Okay, fine. I'm taking things there, what's okay, ganjina. Then ngabona le ntwana le uBandile Bathoa, ngazi if yamazi. He does ama-skits yaseDurban naye. So I'm like, ayibo, intwana encane kangaka ine-show ku-YouTube. The time futhi YouTube was still a big thing ukuthi like ngeni noma ubani ku-YouTube.
Yeah.
So I'm like, intwana leya izenza kanjani lezi zinto? I'm like, there's no way nami ngiyasala. That ke yaqala lapho. Ngaya kuMpintshi ngathi Mpintshi ngishayela ilo. Ngishaya ini i-YouTube channel sifule eJidayini. Avela ngabona ukuthi in short ikhona. Link ifoni ikhona. That is lo ngiquality izobona Instagram simnandi. Asaqala ke nge-first episode. First episode ethi asayidelete yona. Bengayenzi. Yeah, but it was something, but then compared to now I vele bengayenza vele.
Vele yazi phela manje masibheka ama-video ethu akudala siyasho ukuthi vele bokuyithi khona la. And you tend to forget ukuthi we were still learning phela le.
So vela masengene lapha ngokuya the love grew. Like angisacabanga into ezibhamu ukuthi if situation like this ngizophila ngayo so nje namanje I will go to church.
Usahamba ithonto. Ungena i-church
It's been long, but then I'm planning to go back.
To church?
Yeah.
Don't go back. Ungahambi isikhathi sakho. Ngalesikhathi leso kumele uye ngathi esontweni Mpintshama. zibhalele uzedithele uposte zakho nasi ungawaste isikhathi sakho uyakutshela akekho uNkulunkulu eChurch uNkulunkulu uyakusebenzela noma userumini yakho umguqela phansi umcelo uyakusebenzela uyakuzwa futhi lapho
but mina
la uyakhona le bayokuvala la uyakhona le lento zakho umthandazela bayozivala lo mthandazo lo ukuthi ungafiki le
angifuna ukufunda into eseBhayibhelini ngizokwazi
uze la ngizokufundisa iBhayibheli uyaphi esontweni uyaphi
wena kahle sokuvula isonto lakho
mara kuyafana lamasonto wena uNkulunkulu phakathi ngisontweni kunomona wonke wonke iphi isontweni uNkulunkulu phakathi iphi ngiteleni isontweni yakho kunoNkulunkulu phakathi
anyeke sibiza amagama ankingazuve yabo
ya mara mina ngithi wonke mabakhala angifaka le Declan next wonke amasonto kunoNkulunkulu phakathi kunojelasi kunomona kuna competition kuyaloyana phakathi kudliwa imali zabantu emadoda hey kuningi you must understand ukuthi isonto ibusiness bafuna wena ukuthi uzoletha imali yakho kuze umfundisi akwazi ukudla abantwana bamfundisi bakwazi ukuya esikolweni ngaleso sikhathi wena bakho abantwana bangena la eprimary mara unikela 10,000 esontweni abantwana bamfundisi bahamba ama private school akasebenzi umfundisi uhamba ngebhenzi uyithatha phi le mali umfundisi mangasebenzi ahamba ngebhenzi
ngeke awafana amasonto
uyithatha phi le mali
akhona amanye awenge
iwapha ngempela akunasonto engempela ngitshela ukuthi yini isonto engempela
okay live back singaya ungaya esontweni wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu esithi akekho but
hayi ukuthi uNkulunkulu
ufundiswa lento umfundisi ayishumayela like ama script understand
I can preach better than your mfundisi lokutshela ngiyakutshela I can preach better than umfundisi and I can preach to motivate on that script not ukuthi ngipreach ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi mina the way iBhayibheli ngifunda ngakhona I read the Bible and then I make my own motivation out of that because of lento ebhalela lapha eBhayibhelini is not exactly the ways that we are told angazi ukuthi ngiyangithola yini abari Samaria utimile Jesu methi that was in water we understand uNkulunkulu naye bakasigebengu because wathuma abantu ukuthi ayotshentshila ile idonke wathi mafike lapha bari why lumuntu rumrena waye wakhe kuthi uthume bani
uyitshontsha kanti azangathi uyithatha
mara ukutshontsha ngeke vele ngeke vele bakubhala ukutshontsha angithi uNkulunkulu sangihlonipha nathi ngeke vele bakubhala ukuthi ukutshontsha angithi samhlonipha uNkulunkulu uthi wathuma umlindi ukuthi hambe thatha idonki mara somehow le donki akuseyakhe naye nawe akuseyakho uyayithatha emzini wabantu babakubuza bathi why mrena waye bakhe mrena wayikhoka
uNkulunkulu wayeneplan phela lapho kodwa ukuthi beka itshontshe beka ayithatha uyazi ukuthi lo muntu uyazi ukuthi amadonka amaningi angabuya phela
hayi godipho izona
le ukuthi umSamaria utimile Jesu methi bongasiyamani angithi bathi Jesu uyacela bamncinci ngiyokutshela nina abafana nina niyadlala nje ngeke eBhayibhelini bayibeke in the same way because of yini iBhayibheli kumele si respect
abafuqedile iBhayibheli
into engayiqedi iBhayibheli sasayisonto ethi mali nina masontweni mali iqedi iBhayibheli nenzani ngiyanibuza nenzani because iqedile imain thing ukufunda iBhayibheli lesontweni siyiqedile siyayivala isonto press play lapha
angicazeli leyogcina ukuthi leyotshwala nje njengoba abantu abaningi bethu utshwala abufunwa esontweni umuntu mayesesontweni akumele angaphuza utshwala uJesu washintsha iwine so was it wine leya
mina esontweni lami bayakutshela ukuthi noma umngane wakho aphuza njani abhema njani mlethe esontweni akazelanga ukubhema musi lapho uzela ukuzothi
exactly and first of all before siya lapho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wathana in ithini iBhayibheli we must never judge
phela ngikhulumela ekutheni like le wine was it wine or was it
wine angithi phela le wine leta sengitshela ngithi mina ngifundile iBhayibheli sengithi ungayisontweni uzela angithi uNkulunkulu bambulele uJesu bambulele le wine leya wathatha amanzi wayenza wine abantu badakwa bagcwala ifebe zagcwala kuye ngithola amaJuda ayenzana kwata thali yesijele sicoba bonke abocheri ngince ukuthi thena amanzi ayenze wine asibamfaki
kahle uNkulunkulu bekayisifela
bamfaka ipikiri ngithola hayi ukuthi lapha yangithi uthena amanzi na bekathi inceda abantu bese abantomazana yawaza njani but
abukeli ningayisonteni kalifa ngiyacela ningayi please.
bese ifebe yazazi umuntu owenza ama-magic bayamfuna phela umuntu owenza izinto zenzeke obvious bamlandelela lapho bahlala naye amantombazane wamhamba ngapha nangapha amajuda ahlezi ayi-1 babona ukuthi hale iyasijayela lethu silande
Isonto lokuqala esolidiliza le.
So yena maraveli amangazi abafundisi abafuna isiphuzo sibheme kodwa ulena wathena amanzi into wine para sitshaba sana sajakal
Ala emhlabeni yokusasa.
that's why mina ngithi church ngizondalo ichurch ithatha iBhayibheli yenza ngathi lento le yayibhale ubona bayenza ngathi bona yibo abantu abamazi uNkulunkulu thina simazi uNkulunkulu which is thina tasangithi mina ngimazi better uNkulunkulu than umfundisi wakho because umfundisi wakho uzokutshela ukuthi uSathane is evil uSathane yes he is evil but you must understand ukuthi uSathane uyasebenzisana noNkulunkulu you must understand ukuthi uSathane umntana kaNkulunkulu niyamthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke
what if uthanda uSathane kanjani kunesihoko
ukwazela ukuthi kunesihoko isithatha isihoko lesi siyasebenzisana neheaven if you don't know
yamoganyile esihoko wena ngithi
uyisa ubani esihokweni
uNkulunkulu
manje
sozo
uyazi why ngithi uNkulunkulu noSathane bayasebenzisana mpentshama kune uyamazi uJobe ukati camera wena lapho upress ama play uJobe uSathane wathi uNkulunkulu bekayenze iphathi awusiphatha shaya umcimbi ngithola abize bonke abantu nama taxpayers laba abantu abathi ama evil what uNkulunkulu babizile bamemile uhleli nabo futhi ama tax collectors athi mahleli nabo kanje kwavela bani uSathane uSathane makavela uNkulunkulu athi hawu today kukhulu kuze kuvela nawe athi ngizile bathi uhostile so yithi nami ngizohlala ngithi ngizobona uNkulunkulu athi uSathane njengoba uza lapha ezulu ubuya phansi wena ngitshela awubonanga ingceke yami uJobe na uSathane uyamtshela ukuthi uJobe umplesile uhleli kamnandi unemoto nabantwana bakhe unomfazi omuhle umplesile kodwa ukhohliwe wena uSathane utshela uNkulunkulu
uJobe
angithingela yena uJobe so athini ulena uSathane umplesile mara ukhohliwe uNkulunkulu athini uSathane athi uNkulunkulu ngoba ukhohliwe ithi mina ngithathe zonke lento lezi umnike zona ukuze abuye kuwe uJobe uNkulunkulu avuma athi okay ila uSathane acubula zonke lezi zinto lezo uNkulunkulu ablesse uJobe ngazo still busy uJobe ayenzani aphinda futhi abuyela kuNkulunkulu so abasebenzisana labantu that's why namanje in your life ukuze wena uphakame you have to suffer first there's no light without dark there's no dark without light
so that's why labo abazichuzela ukuthatha
lobu
khazikhazi obungana darkness usheshe kuphela
kanjani ubukhazikhazi obushesha kuphela bungana evil inside uwazi ukuthi lo muntu lo uNkulunkulu umblessile uNkulunkulu wenzani ukunika imoto manje uyamkhokha ukhonza le yamoto le yadan uNkulunkulu manje I don't know but forgetting ukuthi ukuzwe le moto ibe khona is because of God but now you're praising the car so khuluma ngale moto kakhulu awuzokhohliwa uNkulunkulu why you don't say thank you uNkulunkulu so uthi ngiyabonga amadlozi awusathi ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga my followers hawu kanjani ngoba yimi nyugayile manje sobonga ama followers ngona ngithathe ubona
bathi uyapha
uyathatha ekunexake injalo ayijika ayina steering yena ukasithatha khatha
isonto la kalifa likhulu
alushaye
chapter livele lokushanga
singena straight to the point and mina ngisi lena le angithini nisa le into asengitshela ukuthi iBhayibheli ngeke ithi uNkulunkulu bekacela amaraho because siyayihlonipha mara mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi asengimele ngibhale yami iBhayibheli
maye ngishuthi kahle ukuze uthi uNkulunkulu beka host afethu
sure kanti umuntu ezulwini nje niyadlala nabafana ya host ngala
Splakeni wafethu
sure isikhathi to the closing okutshela mlindo so what can you say to the upcoming actor writer whatever it is what can you say to them
into engantshela yona bafethu ukuthi whatever happens put God first that's the first thing you should do always two ningayisontweni likalifa kodwa nibheke lapho nibheke i-podcast each and every podcast nizofunda okuningi always 2 whatever craft you are pushing lento le ngayizwa ku one of the people I look up to MTM Sketch wathi if your followers or subscribers are more than 100 or you are on 100 going upwards, just know ukuthi whatever you are doing, it's great.
Wow.
It's great. It's not just good, it's great. One day khuleka yovuleka iminyango. Keep on pushing, don't give up. Sofike sakhe isikhathi. But then bafethe into futhi nekufale into engqondweni ukuthi ngilinde isikhathi sami. You might be waiting for time, but at the same time spana baba, spana ingqondo zitshela ukuthi dayiding le kusasa. But put a goal like isikhathi ukuthi okay in 3 months ngifuna ukuzibona ngila
so lapha ngalesa sikhathi bese ulindile imali ukuthi
abantu banjalo mfethu, that's what they are doing.
They
Not for my time yabo. So yeah, subscribe guys, it's been good to be here. Loving the energy, sihlekile kube kumnandi nanjoba lapha emakhaya mshone nizo-enjoy ukubheka lana ni subscribe. Please subscribe, comment, share kuma status wherever. Please share, commentani.
Yes bafethu, bafethu.
Fire esonto likalifa, please.
Usisonto lakalifa lithi fire.
Hayi. Ubona ngithi
more fire, there's more fire esonto likalifa.
Asisho ukuthi fire sithi fuck.
Mawuthi fire,
Fuck. So fire bana akuna fire next fuck. Fire imo fire simasha ama brand abantu siwasebenzisa emasondeni fire yani. Bafethu plug ukuthi
umlilo.
Turn out to ETV to hashtag our TV. We are posting skits every week there bafethu. It's me my timing and we still gonna need some other actors. We're gonna make but in our short movies for YouTube, short series for YouTube for Nina bafethu. So make sure ukuthi niya subscribe ukuthi nisiphene umfutho ukuthi nathi si right senza zonke lento lezi bafethu, and then esimlinda shilo ukuthi don't forget to subscribe, share and comment and like bafethu.
Bafethu ngicela niyena ku Facebook, YouTube, Galfontein Skits. On TikTok it's K-Skits, K.Skits. So
nabo bayasha ama skits, short movies, short series bafethu. Italent igcwele
uma timing
ngiyakubhore ku-YouTube sikhona isifele
Yo.
presa lapha.
Hayi akusimi isifebe bafethu, just ukuthi ngithanda uku-explore yabona, ngithanda ukwazi izinto.
Thank you.
But into
isikhohle nje isikhathi sike sashaya iseries abathi la emqashweni. Shout out to that series bafethu. Ayikho le series esikhathi sayishaya the best kufana le series bafethu. Hayi.
Sizosendela ilink bafethu kule comment yale podcast.
Hayi bafethu asivaleni kanjalo bafethu. We pur. Alash.
Danko.
Ai ke mang anti stepa jwale ke cleaner ka mo o mang wena o nyakang ka mo
Ndzawini Rishile mina nivukile ngobo
ya jwa bo vukile ana ka mo
hi vito lexi lamariso nomala makaya la geyana la
uma o nyakang ka mo
a ni tala Roma leno
o tala room na go kushishi papa o reng ko bulele ntse o kileng ka yona ka mo reng
a ni tala Roma
na go kushi ka mo re mapedi wa tseba spedi sereng se wa tseba spedi bulela spedi ga ere o go re
a ni tala Roma
yo muzulu ka ya ka nthushe o reng
a ni tala Roma
na go kushishi papa o la room ka mo o diagalang ka na go kushishi o tswa kae o nyaka mang ka mo o nyaka mozulu for sure o vakashitse mozulu wena muzulu we maki nkomi kitima for sure wa betha ka mali
ni angihluba fethu sabhizi lana ukuthi kwenzakala
wa betha ke go tseba ka go betha wona
hey namhlanje umuntu uzoyibamba impela
kai rent ya kai
hawu kumele ngiyibambe phela ukuze ngikubhadala ngithi yazi na ukuthi angisebenzi
motho sho na ke tsoriwa homa kai o la room na ke mkushishi mothoro lo rore
sawubona puti sokuncedela ekhaya
bule sho di korore
angibuza ndoda uthini
la Roma
ndoda isiphethe sakini siyaxaka ne kodwa khuluma le ndoda angizwisisi nje
le nna isizulu sona le nna siyangitaka mara yena language yona awa never awa
alla ndawo yaketlela
sekafuna igedlela manje
nyaka kekele ya o boila metsi o isha kae kekele o boila metsi kare o dula kae wena botse
la Roma ketlela
muzulu nkutlwele o betha o bolelele motho na ke mokushishi
yazi nantsani indaba zethu yazi ngizobamba
ngizobela o betha lo patala renta o se mpatele renta nko bolelele motho
ngayuzela amamiliyoni ungangisolo mathi akubhadala ngini
yona ke nya
nomuntu ufuna igedlela ngithi ufuwenza ngegedlela
la Roma ketlela
uthi ufuna igedlela neroom akhona ehotela la uphethe imali
la Roma
uthi ufuna mara phela uthi maybe bamtshela ukuthi la kusehotela ndasefuna iroom negedlela
o nyaka room ya go rent o sori chelete mo ga rentiwa papa o sori chelete
la Roma ketlela
o nyaka room le kekele e tlo bitsa room ka mo ke 900 ka re o nyaka ena le kekele e tlo re 1.5 room yona ka mo muzulu monche room ka mo nna ke busy ke a cleaner ke a pia lo apia ka mo
o tsema lili
1.5 ena le kekele a ka o nyaka kekele
Boss. Nali room.
ya chapa no chapa never picture the room le mtsaba ka tinsila ta so much
Ndoda akazi ukuthi uthini. Nali room. Umpetho kulethela igedlela lakho uzokulethela umpedi.
umwana mani mara
Uthini? Ndoda sizokhokha 2000. Uzoletha i-rent kimi hayi kumpedi. Sizwana?
okay lo
Uletha i-rent kimi. Mali kimi hayi kumpedi kimi pedi me ya alula pedi ya sengimbonisile umfana
ke busy ke apia ka mo nna le a tshwenya man
angithi sengimbonise phela umfana iroom sengimbonisile
uyibone room
uyibonile uthe malini 1.5 ngitshelile umfana
all right awamufaka mokgwa wa sipatela ke
hawu
abona renta ka yona ke nya
ngiyabanga ngizobamba namhlanje
kai le utika dile chekending
azizobamba amamiliyoni ngitheke lonke le jarit
le
lakho
motho re tlo kukishana le ena jwang motho ka re o bolela leleme le lengwe na re le kushishi mme re tlo mokwa jwang a bolela bona le ka 8 minute le mo jariteng ya ka bona re tlo kushana jwang le ena motho wa o
Tell ukuthi uthole indawo mfana miyeke tell uthole indawo mfana
so la ibile ke afisha
hayi nami itsike endlini hey ngiyayibamba namhlanje hey wabele hey wena hlangani hayi qhubeka
anongwana mali olwakavela ka wa tisola loko tisola kote ish
Thinking no one young walk, I must have a là. C'est là. C'est là. C'est là. Location. C'est là. 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 Location.